want to welcome you to MGF1106 Liberal Arts Math 1 for the spring of 2022. I just want to go through some features of Canvas, specifically if you're in my online class, a mixed mode class, so that you'll know where to find certain features. You want to familiarize yourself with Canvas because this will be the platform where you'll find most of the information. So one of your responsibilities is to read through the syllabus, which is right here. So you're able to click on that. You want to go through the policies and procedures. So this particular syllabus is for the online class. It's very similar to the mixed mode and face-to-face. The only difference is that with face-to-face, you're going to be in person, and online you will be learning at your own pace. This class covers topics such as sets, and then we get into logic and geometry, probability and counting, and then statistics. So as I said, my name is Professor Cole, and my email address is right here, so you're able to email me at any time, and I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. These are my office hours. My office hours are going to be mainly through Zoom or email or Canvas. There are specific times when you can meet with me in person on Monday and on Wednesday from 12:45 to 1:45. The required materials for this class are a MyMathLab Student Access Kit, and you'll get more information about that. The MyMathLab Student Access Code for the book, which is a survey of mathematics, which you can always look for at the downtown campus bookstore by clicking on the link here. Optional materials, you don't need a graphing calculator, but certainly you can use a scientific calculator if you need one. The optional book, again, if you'd like the physical hard copy of it, is a Survey of Mathematics with Applications, 11th edition, which you can get through the bookstore. However, through MyMathLab, you'll be able to have an e-text version, and if you're okay with that version, that's fine. If you ever need help, please don't hesitate to ask. So a lot of times, the question you have is the same question that everybody else does. Please ask questions regularly and interact with me. It's very important that you do that. There are other ways to get help. You can talk to each other. You can form study groups, so you can have virtual study groups. And that's a lot of times is very effective. So that you can bounce ideas off of each other and help each other, because someone else could explain something one way and it's easier for you to understand than the way I explained it. And that's completely fine as long as you understand and learn the material. There is information about the Learning Support Center that you can go through on the syllabus. So if you do need additional help, feel free to do that. There's wellness services as well offered through Valencia and UCF, and links for you to click on and find out more information. If you qualify for special accommodations, please make sure you click on the appropriate link. So for Valencia College, you'll click here, and if you're a UCF student, you'll click here. Please let me know within the first 2 weeks of class any special accommodations that you might have, but you do need to register those with the specific college. But please feel free to discuss that with me. The sooner the better. It's very important that you attend every class, and if you are an online student, your attendance through your interaction with Canvas will be very important. So I can see when you log in and how you're interacting with the content. You'll have things to complete each week, videos to watch, and assignments that are due. So please make sure you keep track of all of that, especially when due dates are, and not regularly checking into Canvas for announcements and to learn the new material can result in poor performance, which I don't want. I want you all to be successful. So it's very important that you're checking in regularly for any updates. Please make sure you pay attention to the withdrawal information. Valencia College requires the students be withdrawn from the class as a no-show. If you are withdrawn as a no-show, you will be financially responsible for the class, and a final grade of WN will appear on your transcript for the course. The withdrawal deadline is March 25th of 2022. Please make sure that you are honest in doing all assignments. You know, it's okay to work together to complete assignments. However, quizzes and tests, there will be a browser that you'll be using for those, and you will not be able to discuss the questions with anyone or use any type of notes, and we'll talk more about that. I do give partial credit on tests and assignments when appropriate. Completion of your homework on a regular basis is very important to your success. So you will have assignments in my math lab every week on the sections that we cover, and it's your responsibility to stay on top of the due date. So please make sure that you familiarize yourself with the due dates, and also there's some really great features in there. So if you do run into any problems, you can use the Ask the Instructor feature to go over specific questions that you are struggling with, okay? Please ask me for help if you have any questions. And again, you can also visit the Math Lab tutoring virtually or in person. Make sure that you complete the test in the times allotted. There are no dropped test scores. So if you miss a test and you don't tell me about it, then you will receive a 0 for that missed exam. So it's very important that you communicate with me if anything comes up in advance, so that I am aware of the situation, and we can arrange for you to take the test earlier if needed. Okay, if you know in advance that you will miss an exam, please arrange to take it earlier with me. And then this is how your grades will be calculated. So there's 5 progress tests, and that will be 50% of your grade. The comprehensive final, so that will include everything from the whole semester, is 20%. Homework and or projects is 20%, and you do get 10% for attending class. And your grades will be calculated in the following manner. So we don't use plus or minus, and I will be rounding your grades at the end to the nearest 1/10 of a percent. So there is a pacing guide, and you can feel free to go over that. I will be linking the pacing guide to this page in the future. The pacing guide has what we're covering each week, and then also the due dates. But I've also listed all of the concepts, the topics, and the dates for the entire semester here, including when we have tests. So please make sure you familiarize yourself with that. You'll be able to eventually click on all of these, and then you'll be able to pull up the videos for the lecture. There will also be a link for the notes that you'll be able to print and use. And then there's some really important keys to success this semester, which you can read through and go over. Most importantly, please reach out for help when you need it. Okay, that is what I'm here for. I want you all to be successful, and my job is to, help you understand the material and be successful, and to get good grades. So the last thing I would like to discuss with you guys is, in the first week of class, I'm going to have a Google slideshow, which will be linked right here, and I'd like you to introduce yourself. You can tell me something about yourself. It could be something quirky. I'm going to give an example of one. You may also use a picture, but that's optional. Okay, that's going to count as proof of enrollment. And it's an important part of your attendance in this class. So I really hope that all of you are going to have a really great semester. Again, I'm very thankful to be your instructor, and I'm here to help you guys in any way possible. Please reach out if you have any questions, or if you need to, if there's something that I didn't answer that you need to know, I'll be more than happy to discuss with all of you. But please make sure you go over the syllabus, and also please make sure that you complete the Google slideshow at some point this week, as it will count for attendance. All right. So when you're all finished that and you're ready to get started, you will be able to click on the link for the notes this week, and you will see notes and also videos attached that you can watch. There will also be videos that you're able to access, and instructor help segments on My Math Lab that you'll be able to access for completing the problems in My Math Lab each week. Okay, again, I hope you all have a great first day and first week, and I'm looking forward to getting to know each of you and helping you this semester. All right, everybody, hope you all have a great day.